Well, good morning. Playing with the old RC truck here. Got a bumper mount. The wires are still attached. Oh, crap.
Man, what dress?
Oh, geez, people, don't look.
It work?
I don't know. I haven't done anything with it yet. You're just starting. Can you give me a moment here?
Give me a break. I just woke up.
So did I. So the problem I'm having. See if I can set the camera down here. Maybe not. That was nice. Let's see if we can show it. See the silver piece there, which is the bumper mount. See the steering son of a gun right there. When you turn the wheel, oh no, it hits. Oh, it hits. Oh no, it's still hitting. So I have to grind a wee bit of that off. And I didn't bring my tools out, so I'm going to have to stop the camera and go get those and then start the video again. Okay. So we're going to take a couple screws out. I'm just going to attempt this in last night, see if it would fit. Working on the old axial Honcho. This is the metal bumper mount to stiffen the front end a little bit more. Purchased from RPP Hobbies, I believe it is. Technically marked the wrong side. This is the threaded end. So I need to take about that much off of that side. So I'm going to go ahead and get a marker. I'll shut the camera off again for a second and we'll be right back. And I'm back. So we're just going to eyeball it here, I think. Get it on the camera there. So basically that whole hump there needs to be removed. Should be enough material there to hold the bumper in place. So all that material needs to be hacked out. And I'm going to use my imitation Dremel tool. And start hacking on it. It's getting a little warm. Come on. anyway, you get the gist of it. I'll show you when we're done and see what it looks like. Alright, it's a bit of a hack job, but got her trimmed up there. I kind of goofed. I started trimming this side. That was the wrong side. I had the right one labeled already. But it fits. Had to, if you'll notice, this end piece here is a little bit higher than this side. So I had to file it down so it'll fit for that little steering arm and the screw. So there's the brother's beast. He's been playing with it. Made a few changes. We'll go over them real quick. First and foremost, we do a tonneau top. Cut out a part of a plastic coolant bottle. Wrapped it in some vinyl type material we had. That's pretty good. Super glued or hot glued it onto the cage. Then he painted the inside there black and the top of the dashboard black, and it's servo's going a little haywire. Shocks are just about shot like on mine. So yeah, Dingo and Honcho. This thing's getting a little beat. My little rock lights popped off, so I gotta get them glued back on. But first we're gonna get this mounted up. Be careful, those wires aren't very big for the... Let's see what we can do here with this. It slips in like so. Camera's rolling, be nice. Your truck's making weird noises too.
The steering servo has to kind of tweak it. I don't know if it's a controller thing or what.
No, it's just you.
You know, the stupid cheap controller I bought. What's going on here?
I'm missing 2 screws already. What did I do with that? Probably left them in the bag for the son of a gun.
Figures.
Yeah, knowing me. I think I may have to slot 2 holes on my frame here too, but we'll see in a sec.
What? Get to trim the ends of your bumper down now?
No.
I draw mine. No, mine's different than yours.
Yes, yours is different. We're all a little different on the inside.
Mostly you.
Yes. And quite... Hey, don't crawl on the truck while I'm working on it.
What?
Really? Really?
He likes it there.
See if we can get this one to line up.
I got smaller screws on the back hole there.
Yeah, I do too. I wonder if I have 2 different size screws on mine.
It came with the kit or no?
Yeah.
I like the aftermarket bumpers. They bolt to the sides of the frame. The outsides.
Oh yeah.
You don't even use that mount in the middle.
Well, I'm going to keep the stock bumper.
Yep, I will do until...
I already dumped enough money into this thing.
Until I break it.
I'm just going to run the 2 for now. So you used all the hot glue, huh?
Yeah. You can probably get a little bit more if you push it through with a screwdriver or something. You can get enough to glue your stuff on.
Oh yeah, that's a lot better. I want to do a little...
Because yours sticks out of it.
Yeah, the whole bumper tweaks too.
Yeah, that's your problem.
It's your problem.
Notching it out like that didn't affect it at all?
Shouldn't, because I left that one side still attached. I need another... Oh, right there. See if we can drop this and loose the part now. It's probably the wrong threads. Nope, she's going in. And everybody on YouTube's like, we can't even see. I know, because I can look through the screen. Yeah, you can do it. Do it to it.
Where are we going? Are you going over there?
I'm right over here.
Yeah, still can't see.
Yeah. It's okay, I can't get it in the hole either.
That's what she said. Or he said?
Something like that. Alrighty.
You got them both in?
Got them both in. Bumper still moves a lot though, but
That's all bumper there.
yeah.
Yeah, so you need to like stiffen it up along there if you could.
Oh yeah. I can get some. I got some thin aluminum.
If you had a way to attach it from the bottom, or
Box in that mounting location there.
so that's the same thing with mine. It still moves quite a bit. Yours moves a lot more still, but
Yeah. Yeah, but that mount's a little stiffer now, so
I would like a solid mount on the back of mine.
I don't have a back bumper.
Yeah. Because I know I've gotten hung up on that, and it tweaks a lot too. So.
Oh, isn't it the same basic mount?
Yeah, it'll work back there too.
There you go. There you go.
So what do we do? Just the bumper?
I did the bumper on mine, yes.
Okay.
And then I have to re-glue my little rock lights on. I don't know. Yeah, like that. Be nice if I'd come up with a little bracket of some sort to put on there, but
Yeah. You could figure something out.
get some thin aluminum and tweak it and bend it and
Twist it to the middle section
Yeah.
and screw it down.
I could. I got that one little tiny. Well, I got that bracket, that mount.
You still want this recording?
We could. Yeah, I'm thinking right now. So
Okay, I'll turn it off.
okay.